my name is Hope. In this video, we are going to talk more about the QUATRA RED system, as you can see on the system behind me. The first point is, after you have used the Wave Pro apps to install the installation package onto your QUATRA RED system, make sure that all the LEDs on your NU and CU are solid green. This way, you know that the system has started operational. There is no error in it. The second point is that the donor antenna that you use for both the LMR port and the FirstNet port needs to have a 10 kilo ohm resistor in it. This is very important. The 10 kilo ohm resistor is for alarming purpose. For the third point, if you were to depress the EPO switch in order to set it back to the reset position, all you need to do is just to twist it in the clockwise direction and the button will pop up, right? And after this button pop up, you just need to push up these two circuit breaker, the AC and DC circuit breaker, back up to the on position. And then the system will rearm itself. And the fourth point, this is the DC cable that is from the MBBU to the NU. There is actually a two groove over there, as you can see over here. You have almost half a circle and then a square groove. These two grooves need to fit nicely onto their respective counterpart on the other side. If you to fit it correctly, the whole cable just goes in smoothly. Do not force it in. The next portion is, anytime you add a hardware, especially the CU, if you need to take away a CU or you need to add CU to the whole system, please remember to power cycle the whole system. This is to allow the NU to detect the existing hardware over there. How do you power cycle the whole system? That is to shut down the AC and DC circuit breaker at the same time and then power it back up. This way, you power cycle the whole system. Lastly is the battery information that you need to enter when testing the low battery capacity. You need to enter the value of 35 over here. Change it to 35 from whatever value you put it in initially when you commission it. This is just for testing the low battery capacity. Thank you for watching this video.